Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to record your Google Slides presentation in 2026. Whether you're making a class project, a business walkthrough, or you just want a clean video version of your slides, this guide will help you record everything smoothly. First, open your Google Slides file and make sure each slide is in the order you want. If you use speaker notes, double check them now because they really help keep your narration steady while you're recording. Google Slides doesn't record video on its own, so you'll need a screen recorder. The easiest options right now are Screencastify, Loom, Clipchamp, or any built-in computer recorder. For most people, Screencastify feels the simplest, so I'll explain using that. But honestly, the steps are almost the same no matter which tool you choose. Open your presentation, then click Present so your slides fill the screen. Now click the Screencastify icon in your Chrome toolbar. Choose whether you want to record just the browser tab, your entire screen, or the window with your slides. If you want your webcam in the corner, turn on Embed Webcam. If not, leave it off. Make sure your microphone is selected. This is important. Say a quick test sentence to confirm the audio bar is moving, then click Record. You'll see a short countdown, and once it hits 0, start presenting your slides at your own pace. You can use arrow keys or click to move forward. Try to speak clearly but naturally. If you make a small mistake, don't panic, just keep going. If you need a break, pause the recording. Most tools let you pick up right where you left off. When you're done, open the Screencastify icon again and hit Stop. Your video will automatically open in a new tab. From here, you can trim the beginning or end, rename your video, and export it however you like. You can save it to Google Drive, download it as an MP4, or share the link directly with classmates, clients, or your audience. If you want to add edits, like cutting out pauses or mistakes, Screencastify's basic editor works fine, or you can bring the video into another editing tool. So yeah, that's the full step-by-step process for recording your Google Slides presentation in 2026. Once you've done it once, recording becomes super easy and, honestly, kind of fun. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and